exposing the secret life of penguin families. You'll never look at these waddling cuties the same way again. So here's a fun fact. Penguin dads are the ultimate babysitters. While mama penguins head out for a seafood shopping spree, dad stays home warming the egg on his feet. Talk about dedication, right? And get this, penguin parents take turns feeding their chicks. It's like the cutest tag team wrestling match ever. They even recognize their baby's calls amidst thousands of other chicks. Super parents much, but the best part, penguins mate for life. That's right, folks. These little tuxedo wearers are the epitome of couple goals. They even sing to each other to strengthen their bond. Who knew penguins were such hopeless romantics? So next time you see a penguin, remember they're more than just adorable waddlers. They're loving, dedicated family members with some seriously impressive parenting skills. Give them a flipper high five in your mind. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more animal awesomeness.